Hey YouTube, this is Avery from Saturday Morning Cartoons. I want to talk to you today about a little addition that I did to my car. I put a brand new shift knob in it. Shift knob came from Speed Dog shift knobs. They're pretty nice knobs. They make them custom knobs for Camaros, Mustangs, Mopar, basically any muscle car out there. This one happens to be specific for my car, for my 1LE. I want to take a little time to explain to you how easy it was to put it in the car. It took all of maybe about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes. But I'm going to show you a picture of the knob here in a second. So, yeah, you call them up and place an order, and they ship it to you within 5 days. So, here we go. Here's the shift knob right here. As you can see, I got it in white to match my car with the 1LE. Never mind the scarring on the knob. That's because I dropped it in my driveway while I was attempting to put it on. Really nice. Got the shift pattern. It's kind of heavy, so it's got a little weight to it. It took me all of, like I said, probably about 5 minutes to put it in. You just take a interior trim piece removal and pry on this side, and then you pry it on this side. See where I nicked it just a little bit? It caught some of it, but I'm going to tuck it up underneath. I'm going to take it back apart. And you just pry it off and pop it off. It comes off. It's got 4 or 5 tabs in it. And then you got a Torx bolt on the shaft. And then you just back out the Torx bolt, pull your old knob off, take the old knob out, slide the new knob in. It comes with an adapter already made for the 6th gen Camaros. Put it on. Make sure everything fits just right. Slide it on in. Put the Torx bolt back in. Screw it on down. Reinstall your shifting boot. And then you're done. It's that simple. It's not really hard at all. Like I said, it took less than 5 minutes for me to put it on. The only faux pas I had in this whole situation was I dropped the knob on the driveway and it rolled. And you can see right there where it just scarred it. But I mean, I dropped it. It didn't damage it too bad. It just took a little bit of the white off of it. I'm going to get a new one. But knob's great. Nice and sturdy. It's on there really good. I can't complain. They got them in red, black. They have some retro ones too, but this one I wanted because it had the 1LE on it, and it matches my car. So a cheap little add-on, like $100 total for the adapter and the shift knob, and they shipped it to you. You can't beat it, and it adds a little bit of extra style. It makes it personalize your 1LE, or if you have just a regular SS, you can customize your regular SS. All right, guys, thanks very much for tuning in. Remember, subscribe and share.